Welcome back. Today it's me Beto G. I'm going to be making Paraguay beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos you will get notified. I'm going to be making Paraguay beat today. When you launch your FL Studio for new beginners, put your cursor on top of this FL Studio app, right click like this, then you click open to open your FL Studio app before you start making your Paraguay beat. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to enter my FL Studio app before I will start programming my Paraguay beat. I'll just put my cursor here because I've already launched it. Just enter my FL Studio app. Here on the screen, this is channel rack. This is your mixer where you mix here. This is your playlist where you arrange your beat. That's it. So I'll just click on add here, click on citrus, I'll put my cursor here, left click on my mouse, hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 5. I'll click here where this is my plugin. I'll click here, plugin options, then I'll put my cursor on top of my preset, and these are my presets. So I'll just click here on this one called down. So I'm going to use this one to start programming my Paraguay beat. I'll put my cursor on top of this place where my cursor is shaking. I'll right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. As you can see, it's scratching, so I'm going to make sure I turn the buffer length to 512. Let me tweak the buffer length so that it won't scratch. Let me tweak the buffer. The next step is I'm going to pick another melody again for my Paraguay beat. I'm going to click on add here, click on FL keys. After clicking on my FL keys, I will put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6, and then put my cursor here on top of my channel rack on channel 6, right click on my piano roll, click on my piano roll. As you can see, I've programmed my 1 to 4 bars pattern. After that, I'm going to highlight it, which can press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B to extend your beat. Now I'll start to program my hi-hats now for my Paraguay beat. On channel 3, I will right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'm arranging my Paraguay trap beat. After my 2 bars, I'm going to highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. Now I'll start to program my snare now. For new beginners, make sure you follow and subscribe. This is my snare on channel 4, I will right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'm arranging my kick, my snare in order. That's it. I'm arranging my snare in order. These other snares I'm putting down is to create a bounce. That's it. Now I'm going to left click and only drop my kick with channel 1. Right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'm arranging my beat now. This is my kick. I'm arranging my kick now. After arranging my kick, I'll click on my kick like this. Click on this boss knob, then just turn the boss knob right up to 59%. Now I'll go now to my mixer. I'll mix my beat now. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. On channel 5, I'll click on slot 1. Add the Fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2. Add the Fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3. Add the Fruity limiter. On channel 6, I'll click on channel 6 like this. Click on slot 1. Add the Fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 2. Add the Fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 3 and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. These are the slot. When mix your beat, use a slot. Just click like this. As you can see, these are many plugins that you can click and add, which you can just click on this loss verb. That's it. Then just turn down the mix level because it can spoil the beat. So I'm going to turn it. Now it's time to swap left and right. I'll just be clicking like this to swap my beat left and right, like this, like this, like this. I'm going to turn up the kick a little bit, and that's okay. You put your cursor, they say view playlist. You put your cursor here like this on the screen. Check on the screen. You see somewhere they have written view playlist. Just click here, up your playlist like this. Where they have written part 1, put your cursor on top of this part 1. Right click on your mouse, then click on split by channel. As you can see, we have everything we have programmed as appear on the top left corner on my FL Studio, which I'm just going to click on this draw, click on this kick, click back to my playlist, click on the hi-hat, click back to my playlist, click on this snare, just click like this, click like this, click back, click on my last melody, click back to my playlist. Now I'm going to copy my beat now to extend my beat. I'm extending my beat now, creating space for an intro and outro. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create a space for an outro. I'll highlight my beat again, which can press Ctrl A, Ctrl and B. I'm extending my beat now. I'm extending my beat now. The next step is I'll click on draw now. When clicking and clicking back in your playlist, make sure first of all click on draw. Then you come here and just click on the melody. Then click now like this. This is my outro. I'm going to remove the hi-hat. I'm going to remove the snare. 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor like this. Right click on my mouse. Then click here, create automation clip. On channel 4, I'll put my mouse again. Right click. Then click create automation clip to control the volume automatically. Now let's listen to the Paraguay trap beat from the start to the end, and see you next time in another video. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. As you can see, the beat is really scratching. Let me just go to options. Let me go to options, go to the settings. I'll make sure before playing the beat, let's just tweak the beat a little bit to see that it's not scratching. I'll turn the buffer length to 200 and I'll turn the buffer length to 256. Now let's play the beat again. The beat is still scratching. The beat is still scratching. But no problem. You can just like pause here. Just see you another time in another video. Thank you so much. So I'm going to fix some technical issues. See you next time in another video. Don't worry. We are going to play the beat again next time when I arrange the beat. When I will show you how to arrange a beat. Thank you and goodbye.